Hi, this is Christy Morrison, your Tahoe Truckee real estate expert. I'm so excited to bring you this family compound here at 14130 South Shore Drive. This property consists of a newer home that's 5 bedrooms and 4 baths. It was built in 2005, has a separate game room area. It also comes with a vacant lot to the left, so you can build another house, structure, garage, as well as a caretaker home here on the right. You really have room for the whole family and room to build as well. So let's go take a look.